Grass, 30-to-1 carbon-nitrogen ratio. That's exactly what you want in compost. A horse will process this in as little as 8 minutes or as much as 2 hours. But horses process this really quick. And you can tell because you pick up horse biscuit and look at it, and it's slightly chewed up, slightly moistened grass. Looks just like grass. Nice little pellets or biscuits. Alright? So horse manure has 30-to-1 carbon nitrogen ratio. So it's probably the most preferred thing to put in compost or to use in gardens, because it's just everything's the right stuff. But the problem is that most horse hay is not, they don't want to feed it good alfalfa or anything because horses don't do well on that. They want lots of carbon, so they're getting hay that is, a lot of it's weeds, and so it has a lot of weed seed in it. So horse manure is not the greatest for getting rid of weeds, but you can grow right in horse manure. You take 6s of horse manure and plant seeds in it, it'll just grow it like crazy. That was what I did on my asphalt concrete land that I was
Did you just have to weed a lot?
I just put 4 inches of horse manure on top for my beds, and that's what we planted into.
Wow.
And it was, the first year it was amazing. The next year's it was a pain because it had lots of weeds.
That's what I did, because at my last garden, that's what happened. It was so weedy, and I didn't know why.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's why. So, but it's still my preferred thing. But now what I do is I do it under the cardboard, so that I put the cardboard on top so that those seeds don't get daylight or as much, exposure to daylight. And as long as you don't mess with the soil after that, then you don't have a weed problem.
Gotcha. Okay. That's great.